Hey everyone, have you ever taken a photo through a window and ended up with reflections ruining the shot? Like you can see the glass glare or your surroundings or even yourself in the image? In this video, I'm going to show you a really quick way to remove those reflections using the Reflection Remove tool in Camera Raw. It's a fast and easy option that can completely transform your photo. The Reflection Remove tool simplifies removing reflections from photos taken through glass windows. This basically eliminates large window reflections in just a couple of clicks, allowing the subject of your image to stand out clearly. It detects reflections in glass, separates them from the actual scene, and reduces or removes them completely. The great thing about this tool is that it supports both RAW and non-RAW files, so we can use this on any image. So once you have your image open, the first thing we want to do is make a copy of the main layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. And then we want to convert that layer to a smart object by right-clicking or control-clicking on the layer and selecting Convert to Smart Object. Once that's done, we can go ahead and rename it. I'll just name mine Remove. Once that's done, make sure the layer is selected and go up to the main menu bar and click on Filter, then go down to Camera Raw Filter. This will open the Camera Raw workspace. If you're working with a RAW file, it probably opened here automatically. Once this is open, go up on the right side of the panel and look for the Remove tool. It's the one that looks like the eraser, and then click on it. Once you do, you'll see different options open alongside of the image window. From here, we want to go down to the Distraction Removal section and click the arrow next to Reflections. In this section, the only option you'll have to choose from is Quality. Quality determines the resolution of the result. Basically, if you click on this, you have Preview, Standard, and Best. Preview is the lowest resolution, but it's the fastest to process. It's good for social media type posts. Standard is the middle resolution. Basically, it's for photos at normal screen resolution. Best is the full resolution and can take a few minutes to process. For our example, I'll be doing standard quality. Then just click the Apply checkbox and let it work its magic. And boom, look at that. It feels like a completely different image. If you press and hold the little eyeball icon in the panel, you can see a before and after. The difference is pretty crazy. You may also notice that after the filter has been applied, it added another slider underneath the quality drop-down menu. This slider lets you adjust the reflections now that they've been removed. Currently, it's at 100, which means the reflections are removed completely. If you slide the slider to the left, it will start to bring the reflections in a little bit. If you leave it at 0, that's where your original image is. Then if you keep sliding it to the left all the way, it'll show you everything it took out of the reflection. So I'll just move this back to 100. Sometimes you may want to adjust the result a little bit, find a balance where the reflections are reduced but the image still looks natural, or maybe you just want to remove them altogether. It's up to you. This slider gives you the ability to do that. Once you're happy with everything, just click OK. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Now you have a removed layer with the reflections completely removed, and you have a smart filter here so you can turn it on and off if you want. And you can always double click to go back in there and add the reflections back a little if you choose to do that. I have a few other examples. I'm not going to go through them step by step, but I'll show you a before and after. This is just to show you how good this filter can be. I mean, that's pretty amazing. The next one. This is a good example of the filter getting you almost all the way there. As you can see up here, there's still reflections of lights, but you can use the Remove tool and get rid of those really quickly. Just add a blank layer, pick the Remove tool in your toolbar, and then draw around them. And then click the check mark, and there you go. Reflection gone. And that's mostly because of the Remove Reflection tool inside of Camera Raw. And our last example is also a good before and after. There's a lot going on in this reflection, and Camera Raw removed it almost entirely. It's just so good. There are a couple of things to keep in mind when using this. Like I said before, sometimes removing the entire reflection can be difficult and it might even look unnatural. So That's where the slider comes in, so you can adjust how much of the reflection you want to remove. Sometimes it can't remove the reflection. It just depends on the image you're trying to work with. However, this tool is perfect for when you're traveling and taking pictures through lots of windows, like if you're in a car or a bus or whatever. This tool can be a game changer. So that's it. That's a really quick way to remove reflections using the reflection remove tool. It's simple, fast, and it makes a huge difference for photos taken through glass. I hope that helped, and I'll see you next time.